In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes for your Wix store. To get started, log into your site's dashboard. Once you are inside, head over to the Settings tab and look for the Tax section. This is where you will manage how tax is charged in your store, and it's an important part of making sure your checkout process is set up correctly for your customers. Inside the Tax section, click on Add Tax Region. This option allows you to create a tax rule based on the location where you sell. Next, choose your target country, and then select the specific state or province if that applies. This part matters because tax requirements can vary depending on the country and even the region within that country. So the options you see may change based on the location you select. After that, decide what the tax should apply to. Wix gives you the option to apply tax to products, form payments, services, and shipping or delivery. Make sure you choose the categories that match the way your business operates. For example, if you sell physical products and also charge shipping, you'll want to review both of those carefully so your tax setup reflects your real checkout flow. Next, enter the flat tax percentage for that region. This is the rate that will be used when customers from that location place an order. Take a moment here to confirm that the percentage is correct before moving on, since this setting directly affects what buyers are charged. Once everything looks good, click Save to activate the rule. At that point, your tax region and rate will be added to your Wix store. Before you finish, here is one more important area to review, and that's your tax display preferences. You need to decide how taxes will be shown to your buyers. If you choose to add tax at checkout, the tax will be applied to the total cost during the final payment screen. This means customers will see the tax added at the end of the purchase process. The other option is to include tax in the item price. With this setting, the tax is already built into the product price that customers see in your store. Wix will still calculate the tax and separate the breakdown on the receipt, so buyers can clearly understand what portion of the price went toward tax. Depending on your store setup, Wix can also help automate parts of the tax configuration process, which can make setup easier. And that's it. Your tax settings are now ready to review and use in your store. Thanks for watching.